Are you still gonna publish ukulele tutorials? I've been seeing this comment a little bit more on my posts recently and I want to address it. The thing is that my goal as a music teacher is to expose you to as many different instruments as I possibly can. So far we've focused only on ukulele, but now, hold on, we are adding guitar. I mean adding seriously. Just like if you start learning a new language, that doesn't mean you're gonna let go of the first language that you know. It's the same thing with ukulele. Ukulele is our first language, so to speak. And now we're gonna be exploring and adding guitar and down the line, hopefully other instruments. But the goal is always to keep what we have, retain, continue practicing it, and then add new things. So the month of March, we'll be focusing a little bit more on guitar just because that's the 30-day guitar challenge. But we'll have tutorials for both instruments. So thank you so much for asking the question. Ukulele to me is like just such a fun instrument. The community is so fun. So I intend to continue making ukulele content. I just want to add the guitar too. I hope that you will join me on this journey. Let's get started.